Hi everyone, it's Jazzy here from Greenttons with another Sophie and Toffee Elves box unboxing. Let's see what's inside. This is the October Elves box, and it's a dragon theme with a special appearance with a Game of Thrones 3D dragon egg mold. And in the premium box, which is what I have, you'll also see the Dungeons & Dragons 7 dice molds. I'm going to show you the items in the order that they're printed on the card. The first item is the Dragon Shaker silicone mold. This thing is awesome. It's a really nice quality mold. The next item is the Game of Thrones 3D dragon egg silicone mold. This is a two-part mold. The next item is the Sophie and Toffee UV Resin for molds, 25 grams. And now we have the Dragon Scales silicone mold. This makes 3 different dragon scales. Also, I'll be doing a video featuring this particular mold, so make sure you hit our subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when that video comes out. The next item is Baby Dragon Open Bezel Charms ×4. These are silver tone and these are super adorable. And now we have the Icy Blue Color Shift pigment powder and also the Fire Red Mirror Chrome pigment powder. These powders look really awesome when you brush them in the molds with the applicators provided. The next item is the gold and silver iridescent foil scales ×6. These scales look really pretty in all the shaker molds. And speaking of shaker molds, the next item is clear shaker film. Remember to always remove the protective sheets that are on both sides of this film before using it. And now for the premium box add-ons. I received 7 Dungeons & Dragons dice silicone molds. Now Sophie and Toffee posted a notification on their Instagram account that they had a problem with the molds in shipping. The lids fused to the actual mold, so when you remove the lid, it actually destroyed the mold by peeling it apart. But they are going to replace that, so anybody that received these molds, such as I did, will receive replacement molds if you notify them. Here I'm showing you what a damaged mold looks like. I received an email from Sophie and Toffee this morning saying that they'll ship me replacement molds as soon as their new shipment arrives. And the last item in the Sophie and Toffee Premium Elves box is the Sophie and Toffee Thin Hard Type UV Resin, 25 grams. If you'd like to get your own Elves box subscription, I have a coupon for $3 off in the description box below, and also a coupon for 15% off any Sophie and Toffee products. Thank you to everyone who has used the coupons previously. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and please hit the bell notification so you'll always know when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching.